Have you ever wondered how an AI actually thinks? It is not magic. It is pure math. Today, we are going to crack open the black box and visualize the flow of intelligence. It all starts here. This is a single artificial neuron, also known as a perceptron. It takes data inputs on the left, processes them, and fires a decision on the right. Inside, we calculate a weighted sum of inputs plus a bias. Think of it as sensitivity. Then, an activation function squashes the result to decide if the neuron should fire. If the signal is strong enough, fire, but one neuron is useless. We need a massive crowd. This is a deep neural network. The first layer detects simple patterns like edges. Deeper layers combine them into complex concepts like faces or logic. Let's visualize the thinking process. Forward propagation. Initially, the network is stupid. We take an error and send it backwards. This is backpropagation. Over millions of cycles, the error vanishes. The network has learned. And that is how we turn math into a mind.